One of the biggest mistakes people make is waiting for someone else to believe in them before they start believing in themselves. They wait for approval, encouragement, support, or validation from family, friends, teachers, or the people around them. But the truth is, many of the greatest journeys begin when nobody else can see the vision except the person chasing it. People judge based on what they see today, while your dreams are built on what you know is possible tomorrow. If you depend on others to confirm your potential, you will spend your life standing still. There will be moments when people doubt your goals, question your abilities, and even laugh at your ambitions. That does not mean you are on the wrong path. It simply means they cannot see what you see. Your responsibility is not to convince everyone around you. Your responsibility is to keep moving forward. Self belief is a decision you make every single day, especially when results have not appeared yet. It means showing up when nobody is clapping for you. It means continuing the work when nobody is watching. It means trusting the process even when there is no evidence that success is near. Every successful person reached a point where they had to become their own supporter, their own motivator, and their own source of confidence. The moment you stop seeking permission and start trusting yourself, you unlock a different level of strength. Remember, the world often believes in you only after you have already believed in yourself long enough to make it happen. Believe in yourself first and let your results make the introductions. When nobody believes in you, it's easy to let doubt creep into your mind. It's easy to start questioning your goals, your abilities, and whether you are really capable of achieving what you have set out to do. But what if the doubt coming from others could become the very thing that pushes you forward? What if every criticism, every rejection, and every negative opinion become fuel for your journey instead of a reason to quit? The people who achieve extraordinary things are not those who never face doubt. They are the ones who learn how to use it. Every time someone says you can't do it, you have a choice. You can accept their words as your reality, or you can use them as motivation to work harder than ever before. Rejection is not a stop sign, it is a test of how badly you want your goals. Many people give up because they take criticism personally. Instead, see it as an opportunity to become stronger, wiser, and more determined. Let the negativity remind you why you started. Let it sharpen your focus. The energy you spend feeling hurt can be redirected into productive action. Put it into learning, practicing, improving, and growing. Every hour you spend working on yourself is a step away from the person you used to be and a step closer to the person you want to become. The doubters may never change their minds, and that's okay. Your job is not to prove them wrong with words. Your job is to prove yourself right through consistent effort and relentless persistence. Turn every doubt into fuel and keep moving forward no matter what. When nobody believes in you, motivation can feel possible to find. There will be days when you are excited, energized, and ready to take on the world. But there will also be days when you feel tired, discouraged, and tempted to quit. This is where most people fall behind. They rely too heavily on motivation, expecting to it carry them through every challenge. The problem is that motivation is temporary. It comes and goes based on emotions, circumstances, and results. Discipline is different. Discipline is what keeps you moving when motivation disappears. It's the ability to do what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like doing it. The people who achieve great things are not always the most motivated. They are often the most disciplined. They understand that success is built through small, constant actions repeated day after day. They wake up and do the work whether they feel inspired or not. They keep learning, practicing, and improving even when nobody notices their effort. Discipline means honoring your commitment to yourself. It means showing up on the difficult days, not just the easy ones. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, you build confidence. Every time you choose action over excuses, you strengthen your character. The results may not appear immediately, but every disciplined step is an investment in your future. While others wait for the perfect mood or the perfect moment, disciplined people continue moving forward. Over time, those small daily efforts create extraordinary results. And when success finally arrives, people will think it happened overnight, not realizing it was built through countless days of constant discipline. Stay disciplined when motivation fades, because that's where real growth begins. One of the fastest ways to lose confidence in yourself is to constantly compare your journey to someone else's. When nobody believes in you, it can be tempting to look around and measure your progress against people who seem to be moving faster, achieving more, receiving the support and recognition that you wish you had. But comparison is a distraction that pulls your attention away from the only path that truly matters, your own. Every person has a different starting point, different challenges, different opportunities, and a different timeline for success. What takes someone 1 year may take another person 5 years, and that does not make either journey less valuable. The moment you become obsessed with what others are doing, you stop giving your full energy to what you should be doing. Instead of looking left and right, focus on taking the next step in front of you. Progress is not about being better than someone else. It's about becoming better than you were yesterday. There will be moments when it feels like nothing is happening, when your efforts seem invisible and your goals still feel far away. But growth often happens quietly. The strongest foundations are built long before anyone sees the final result. Trust the process, even when it feels slow. Stay committed to your daily actions and keep your eyes on your own mission. Success is not a race against other people. It is a personal journey of persistence, patience, and self improving. The people who reach their goals are often the ones who refuse to be distracted by the progress of others and remain focused on their own path. Stay focused on your journey and let consistent progress lead you to success. There comes a phase in almost every meaningful journey where it feels like you are completely alone. Nobody is cheering for you. Nobody is checking on your progress. And nobody seems to understand that sacrifices you are making. This is the phase that breaks many people because they mistake loneliness for failure. They assume that if nobody is paying attention, then what they are doing must not matter. But the truth is that some of the most important growth happens in silence. The lonely phase is not a sign that you are losing. It's often a sign that you are building. While the world is distracted by visible success, real transformation is taking place behind the scenes. This is where character is developed, discipline is strengthened, and resilience is forged. When nobody is watching, you discover who you truly are. You learn whether you are willing to keep working without applause, keep improving without recognition, and keep believing without constant encouragement. Many successful people spent years in this stage. They worked in silence, struggled in silence, and grew in silence long before anyone knew their name. The reason they eventually succeeded is because they did not allow temporary isolation to stop them. They understood that every great achievement requires a season of unseen effort. Instead of fearing the lonely phase, embrace it. Use it as an opportunity to sharpen your skills, strengthen your mindset, and focus on your mission without distractions. The people around you may not see the progress you are making today, but that does not mean progress is not happening. Keep showing up, keep learning, and keep moving forward. One day, the work you have been doing in private will become impossible to ignore. Embrace the lonely phase because it's often where your greatest growth begins. The final difference between those who succeed and those who give up is simple. They keep going. When nobody believes in you, when progress feels slow, and when challenges seem endless, the easiest option is to quit. Many people do. They stop just before the breakthrough. They walk away because they cannot see immediate results. But success rarely rewards those who quit early. It rewards those who stay committed long enough for their efforts to compound. There will be moments when you feel like all your hard work is leading nowhere. You'll question whether the sacrifices are worth it. You'll wonder if the doubters were right. In those moments, remember that every achievement takes longer than most people expect. Growth is often invisible before it becomes undeniable. The seeds you plant today do not become trees overnight. They require time, patience, and consistent care. The same is true for your goals. Every day, you continue moving forward, even when it's difficult. You are building momentum. Every obstacle you overcome makes you stronger. Every setback teaches you something valuable. Eventually, the results begin to appear. The skills improve. The confidence grows. The opportunities increase. And slowly, the same people who doubted you begin to notice what you have accomplished. But by then, their approval no longer matters because you have already proven something much more important to yourself. You have proven that you can persist when things get hard. You can continue when others stop. You can stay focused when others lose faith. That's the power of persistence. Let your actions speak louder than your words, and let your success become the answer to every doubt you ever faced. Keep going until your result tells the story that your words never had to.